She may go out, it may rain. You may be surprised, but the word may does much more than just talk about the weather. In today's video, we are exploring the modal verb may, which is a small word but has some very polite and powerful usages. From expressing possibility to giving formal permission, may adds clarity and elegance to your English. So let's dive in and discover when and how to use may the right way. Now, the modal auxiliary may is used first to indicate permission. May I come in? May I go outside? You may not go. Please note, may is more formal than can in its approach. Next, the modal verb may can be used to express possibility, to indicate possibility. So, the road may be blocked due to the procession. Now, here we see that it is a factual possibility, not a theoretical, mind you. Since there is a procession today, it is likely that the road may be blocked today due to procession. So it expresses a stronger claim or a stronger possibility. It is also used to express a wish in formal English. May you live a long, healthy life. May God bless you. May the man rest in peace. So all these are examples of how you can express a wish with the help of the modal verb may. The final use is when a modal verb is used to indicate a purpose. We eat that we may live. He flatters his boss that he may get a quick promotion. So in such cases also we see the use of modal verb may. So please use the verb correctly in your sentences, in your speech. And if you like my work and if you find this helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such interesting snippets of grammar. Thank you for watching. I will meet you all again in the next video.